Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this video. In the previous videos, we have discussed the summary and line by line explanation of Sound of Music. In this video, we will take exercises of this story. Thinking about language. Look at these sentences. Evelyn was determined to live a normal life. Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends. The italicized parts answer the question, what was Evelyn and what did Evelyn manage to do? They begin with the to verb. To plus verb की first form we will always use. This is the rule. The school sport team hopes. What does it hope to do? The school sports team hopes to win the match. We all want to succeed. They advise the hearing impaired child's mother to take her to a specialist. The authorities permitted us to play. A musician decided to, what decided? Play a new rag. So, in the first you can write, I am repeating, the school sports team hopes to win. We all want to succeed. They advise the hearing impaired child's mother to take her to a specialist. The authorities permitted us to play. A musician decided to play a new rag or new tune. Next, from the text on Bismillah Khan, find the words and phrases and write them down. The home of royal people. The home of royal people in paragraph 1, royal residence. Royal residence. The state of being alone, solitude. Solitude. Solitude, a part which is absolutely necessary and indispensable component. To do something not done before, improvise. Improvise, IMPROVISE, without much effort, effortlessly, quickly and in large quantity, quickly and in large quantities, thick and fast. Now see, tick the right answer. When something is revived, it remains death or lives again. When a government bans something it wants, it stopped. When something is considered auspicious, welcome it or avoid it. Welcome it. When we take to something we find it boring or interesting. When you appreciate something you find it good and useful or no use. Good and useful. When you replicate something you do it for the first time or for the second time. When we come to terms with something, it is still upsetting or no longer upsetting. Yes, now see, this is the dictionary work. You can do yourself. And the speaking part is, imagine the famous singer Kishori Amonkar is going to visit your school. You have been asked to introduce her to the audience. Before her performance, How would you introduce her? Here is some information about Kishori Amonkar. You can find on it. Read the passage and make the notes of the main points about her parentage, the school of music she belongs to, her achievement, her inspiration, etc. How can you? You have to give her parentage, school of music. You can find from this paragraph. So students,